Today, I want to get into more of Your Easy Way Out. It's an affiliate marketing program or training course and program that I use, and I highly recommend and wanted to go through some of it. My name is Tad Stevens. My review site is Evergreen Reviews, and I have a YouTube channel. You're welcome to check out other reviews on this and other products there. It's a 6-week program. It's called Your Easy Way Out, and the modules are meant to be followed once a week. So 6 modules, 6 weeks, but you can go through it, as I've said in other videos, in a weekend if you really binge through it. It's very simple. It's very straightforward, which is one of the reasons I like it. It's not super complex. It doesn't take you weeks and weeks of watching videos to get through it. So I want to start with week 2, which they go into branding and how to create the videos. And they have a really unique way, I think, of going about it, where you build bumper videos, and they go into it more in module 2. And I don't want to give too much away about it now, but basically they build bumper videos that you can reuse over and over again. Makes creating the video super fast. I mean, like I used to hate making videos, but these I can make 2 of these a day fairly easily. And if that can be 2 different offers, it can be 2 videos for the same offer, but you need to be consistent and need to have content out there. So that is one of the reasons I really like this method and this program. So Your Easy Way Out. That's week 2, module 2. Go check it out. There's a link in the description, and questions, leave a comment, get right back to you. I answer all of them. So see you later.